stick to the list. Let's stick to the. Ooh, okay. Now, honey, they had brought this back. Peace, family, peace. Oh, today, honey, what a beautiful day it is. Okay, it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, we finna go to Dollar Tree. Okay, because Dollar Tree is okay with me. All right, okay, all right. Now, don't get so excited, because you know what? Oh, I'm going in to pick up a few items, okay? And I am, you know what? I am so thankful and grateful, okay? All right, now let's get into the outfit today. All right, now you guys probably seen this in my other video, this dress, okay? This dress is really, really good, okay? Especially, okay, it is a scorching one, okay? Okay, honey, I forgot to put this in. Okay, we doing big things. Okay, get excited. Okay, get excited. Okay, we doing big things. Okay, now let's go to Dollar Tree. Family, peace. But first stop before we get to Dollar Tree is Walgreens. So I came here to buy my children's toothpaste and then also some toilet paper. Okay, family, we finally made it to the Dollar Tree. Okay, that's okay with me. All right, okay. So we gonna go inside, honey. But one thing I gotta say is I don't know why I keep putting oil. So I use oil instead of using lotion. Okay, and I had used some olive oil this morning. Woo, child. And I'm like, Dina, you just gonna sweat. So do it really matter if you ashy or not? Nah, it don't. Okay, so this is pretty much our list. Okay, if some things on here is spelled wrong, you know exactly what I mean by this. Okay, so this is our list, and the plan is to stick to our list, okay? But let's just see if they got something, some new stuff, okay? I see some boxes over here, okay? Don't get me excited at once, okay? All right. Oh, child. Okay. So you guys seen this pretty much school stuff. Okay, back to school. Oh, these are new. Okay, this is definitely new. Okay, these little cubby things. Okay, new. Ooh. Okay. Okay, honey, they surely ran through this stuff. Okay, ran through it. Okay, because it's good. Looks really, really good. Okay. Whew. All right, let's go on and get what we need to. Okay, I spoke about these wipes before. Okay, so I'm gonna get these wipes. These wipes are really, really good. I absolutely love these wipes. But I see they also have some new cleaning stuff. This right here is new. Okay, so I'm also going to go with this toilet bowl cleaner. Okay, $1.25. I'm also going to get one of these. Honey, this is not even on the, well, actually bleach is on the list. And I meant to get the bleach from Walgreens, but I didn't get it. So we're going to get it from here. Okay, so these are definitely new too. Okay, these pumpkin assorted flower floral arrangements. Okay, those are definitely new. Okay, so it's okay. So I'm planning on getting my children these because right now they have drawers, well dressers, and I think this would be so much better as opposed of the dresses that they have. I'm tired of the dresses breaking. Okay, all right, at the bottom. Okay, so ooh. All right, so I'll come back and get this. This is the 6-cube storage rack. Okay, $5. All right, and then a few of these, which these is really good because they like $3 a piece. Okay, I'm gonna try that out soon. Now, how soon? I don't know. Okay, so these containers are definitely new as well. Okay, and they come in different colors. Okay, so they have navy, light blue, and they also have gray. Okay, honey, this is a nice. Okay, this is cute. All All right, for your home. Okay. Ooh, I like this. And it's $1.25. Wait, hold on. $1.25. Okay. Family is forever. Oh, I'm so tempted to get this, but this not on the list. I'm not gonna get it. Or should we? No, I'm not gonna get it. But honey, you can get it. Okay. Family is forever. I love it. Okay, so I have to call my sister real quick. It's these incense that she said they real good. Okay, that's what she said. Okay, and somebody else in the comments said that the incense was really good. My sister, however, she said that the incense, they smell like these incense that we used to get from Whole Foods. So, I'm gonna try them out, okay? But if they don't smell like it, help me with your soul. Okay, family, so she's not answering. So what I am going to do, I'm going to smell some of these and see which ones smell like the ones we used to buy from Whole Foods. Okay, and these are the incense. So these are pretty much chakra incense up here. Okay, and I'm going to go through them and see which ones smell like what. Okay, so I think we have a winner, like chicken dinner. Okay, but you guys know I'm on. I gotta make sure you hear this loud and clear. Okay, you guys know right now I'm on my vegan. Okay, so we are going to get these, and I'm gonna smell a few other ones to see which ones smell like which. Okay. Okay, so we have another winner. Okay, sacro. Okay, sacra. Okay, chakra. We're gonna do this. Okay, so I need to also get some light bulbs. Okay, this is one of the things I love about Dollar Tree. Okay, 2 light bulbs for $1.25. Okay, not bad at all. Stick to the list. Let's stick to the. Ooh, okay. Now, honey, they had brought this back. Okay, this right here, twist. Now I use is the black bottle. It is detangler. Okay, and these, honey, if you look these up on certain websites, okay, this ain't no $1.25. Okay, but the one that I have for my daughter's hair is a detangler. It is so good, but it's the black bottle. Okay, and this right here, this is pretty much hype it up weightless refreshing spray. Essential moisture for curls. Okay, so I guess this is like a conditioner of some sort. Okay, a leave-in conditioner of some sort. But the black one, honey, hands down, very good for a detangler. If you need umbrellas, okay, so Dollar Tree, you know what, Dollar Tree is doing it, okay, they really doing it for me, okay. These manual open umbrellas, $1.25. Where you gonna get a dollar? Where you gonna get $1.25 umbrella from? Okay, but here. And this is pretty much how they look. Okay, pockets. Well, not pocket size, but pocketbook size umbrella. So we got a few more items. Okay, to go. We even put stuff in here that I'm not gonna talk about that. Okay, don't judge me. Okay, I gotta get some Brillos, a broom. Okay, and let me see. Toothpaste, I already got that from Walgreens. Okay, let's get the rest of this stuff. Okay, so these I really don't care for that much because like the food and stuff be stuck in them. I guess it's like really meant you just use it one time, Dina, and get rid of it, right? But oh my goodness, who remember Brillo pads back in the day? Okay, I sure remember these. Okay, at my grandmother's house, used to stay with the actual Brillo pads. Okay, all right. But these are buddies, scrub buddies. Nah, I'm just gonna stick with this. Okay, so I'm also going to get these. You guys know I get these all the time. Okay, So let's get our dustpan. Okay. This is the only thing, honey. So you're gonna spend $1.25 for this, $1.25 for the stick, and $1.25 for the broom head. So we are, well, I am done. Okay, not too shabby. But let me see. I do need these storage containers. I keep buying these, and my oldest children, when they come over, they take them and they never bring them back. Okay, I could get that another day. I could get that Thursday. All right, family. So let's go to checkout. I had told you guys about this nail polish before. Okay, I still have the purple on my toes. Okay, all right, just so you can get a good look. Okay, these nail polishes are really good, gel like, very good. $1.25, and the one I have is this one. So I'm gonna go in and get this green one right here. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Okay, family, so we are done. Okay, that wasn't bad. $15. Okay. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. And you're welcome. And I catch you guys on the next one. Peace.